We're excited to introduce this series of video bites to help you and your students create amazing experiences and build in demand skills for success in school and after graduation. In this bite, we'll share how to use Adobe Creative Cloud video tools used by Hollywood creatives and Fortune 500 companies to create beautiful online videos fast with easy to use Premiere Rush, edit video with Adobe Premiere Pro, design motion graphics with Adobe After Effects, and produce professional quality audio with Adobe Audition. So let's explore the video tools, starting with Premiere Rush. Adobe Premiere Rush is a mobile and desktop video editing tool that's meant to create and share online videos for social media and other purposes. Rush works on iPhone, iPad, Android, and desktop for macOS and Windows, and your projects are automatically synced to the Creative Cloud. So no matter where you are editing your projects, the latest version is always available to work on. You can capture video and images right on your device in the mobile app with built-in camera functionality, or use existing content or static content like images and graphics, and even add voiceover. With Rush, the same tools found on desktop for editing are found in the mobile app. With easy-to-use editing tools located in the bottom left of the workspace, you can see here, for trimming, editing, and moving video, you can quickly get the video just right. You can also add transitions like crossfades. You can apply color presets to match color between video clips, and a lot more. The intuitive interface also makes it easy to add your own titles and use default motion graphics that you can edit. This way you can add intro text or maybe even an animated title. Premiere Rush has a lot of tools to add that wow factor and even to polish your videos. For your audio tracks, Rush automatically detects the audio type. That could be voice, music, or other, and makes it easy to make crossfades. With Rush, you can also set audio tracks like music to auto-duck to voice clips. That way, if you have background music or audio effects going on, the volume for that will lower when someone is talking, for instance. To add a sense of drama to your videos, you can also slow down and speed up parts of a video using a speed ramp. When you're ready to share your videos, you can currently share as an MP4. You can also share to YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and Behance. You publish to these social destinations by turning these switches on. Then you log into each social media channel, set your options, and you can share it. Now with your Rush projects, maybe you want to add your Rush content to an existing Premiere Pro project, or you want to just take your projects further. You can open your Rush projects right in Adobe Premiere Pro. With 2019 or later Premiere Pro open, you can simply click the Open Premiere Rush Project button you see here on the Start screen. Any available Premiere Rush projects will appear, and if you decide to open one, they'll be converted to a Premiere Pro project that is fully editable. Premiere Pro is the industry-leading video editing software for film, TV, and the web, used by Hollywood creatives and Fortune 500 companies. Creative tools, integration with other apps and services, and the power of Adobe Sensei can help you create polished film and video. Let's start talking about the editing capabilities of Premiere Pro. When you work with audio in your projects, you can auto-duck ambient sound just like in Premiere Rush. That means if you have music or sound effects in the background, it'll lower the volume levels when someone is talking automatically. This and other types of audio adjustments are done in the Essential Sound panel. Now, when it comes to adjusting color across your project, you can use the Lumetri Color panel, which is a part of the Color workspace. This way, you can make color adjustments to your video. So if you have a clip selected in your timeline, in the Lumetri Color panel, you can apply color looks to give the footage an overall look, along with adjusting the color using various color controls, including curves. If you have footage where the color needs to match, and maybe it doesn't right now, you can also scrub in the timeline to select the footage to match. Over in the panel, you can open Comparison View and scrub to see the footage to match to. You can then apply the match. Premiere Pro works seamlessly with other apps and services, including Photoshop, Illustrator, After Effects, Audition, and even Adobe Stock. You can import native Illustrator and Photoshop files easily, which can even preserve the layers. And you can work back and forth between those apps to make edits. You can also open a motion graphics template from After Effects. You can customize one from Adobe stock or even integrate with hundreds of third-party extensions. Another great feature in Premiere Pro is called auto reframing. This makes it easier to optimize your content for different sizes, maybe for social media or other platforms, instead of manually cropping and keyframing your footage. Using Adobe Sensei AI technology, auto reframe applies intelligent reframing to your footage, keeping the action inside the frame for different aspect ratios like square or vertical. It can be applied as an effect to individual clips or to a sequence. Another of Adobe's amazing video tools is called Adobe After Effects. After Effects is the industry standard tool for motion graphics, visual effects, and animation like titles, for instance. With it, you can create all kinds of content. Similar to Premiere Pro, there are a lot of edits you can make to your content. The color workspace found here sets up the workspace for editing color in your content, including the Lumetri Scopes panel, where you can see the color information for your selected content in different ways. You can also apply color correction effects, like Lumetri Color Effect. When you do, you can apply creative looks, or even adjusting the curves. In After Effects, you can also easily remove unwanted objects from your video using the Content-Aware Fill feature. An easy way to get this done is to create a mask, for instance, and use that as the area to be filled automatically using the Content-Aware Fill panel. With After Effects, you can also create motion graphics templates known as mogurts. A mogurt is a motion graphic template that can be used in other programs like Adobe Premiere Pro and even Premiere Rush. They're self-contained files with the extension .mogrt. In the Essential Graphics panel, you can set your custom controls for motion graphics, and you can share them as templates via Creative Cloud libraries or as a local file. Students can use Adobe Portfolio, which is a part of Creative Cloud, to present their ideas to the world in an online portfolio. And they can take those projects and assets they worked so hard on with them when they graduate. With a new licensing option, students can use Creative Cloud on their own computers and devices, not just in classrooms and labs. And with more than 20 Creative Cloud apps and services, students can learn to explore the creative process, express their ideas, and communicate with impact. Visit this URL for more video bites and information on bringing Creative Cloud to your students.